is broken as well, and I'm gonna go nuts.
NTS.
What
Yeah.
in TeamSpeak, right?
Yeah. Somebody
Alright.
mics like fucking microwave, bro.
Isn't that fun?
Got on 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
I'm gonna suffer with this thing because I already know that.
Okay, boys, okay. Everybody, hoist the
Left.
colors in 3, 1, 2, 3. Hoist the colors.
Follow me.
Hoist the colors.
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
Gaff far left. Skirmishers on the far right. Both of them.
No kings, no crowns.
Follow me.
No kings, no crowns.
Our mateys, the lines be to our right.
Remember, it's a merge.
I know we're doing bullshit. Follow me left, follow me left.
On 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
Follow me t-shirt, cow.
Plunder them, boys.
1, 2, 3, chance.
They took your grog.
Push, 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 keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Push, 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 push. Press you in 3, 2, 1. Press you from right here. Two. Push our left. There's no way Spain Cav is losing to Japan. Oh my, they
Spain
actually
Cav was
lost
winning. Spain Cav already broke them one time, you know?
Captain
How
Baby
did Spain
selling.
How did Spain Cav lost when they outnumbered them by like 5 guys? What?
Done 3, 1, 2,
Baby
3,
selling,
chance.
Captain.
Just gonna 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stay here, stay from it here. Just gonna 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, everyone full right. Full right, full right. We're gonna go full right. The enemy? Yeah, that's the enemy. Okay, follow me. The enemy is gonna pull far away, so no, I'm not gonna even care about them. That's Spanish skirmishers I see down. From it here. Oh, push up, they're broken. Wait, they're broken. Okay. Hello. I don't think they see us, bro. Hey, did they see us?
They didn't,
don't,
they didn't,
okay.
they didn't, they didn't.
For my team, shoot them.
If we kill 2, they're dead.
Shoot them, shoot them, shoot them, shoot them, shoot them.
One more
Shoot
time,
one more, come on. No,
What?
stay.
Captain, look behind us.
No kings, no crowns.
Look behind you, we can grab a flag over there.
Captain,
Push up.
Captain, look behind us.
Right there.
Captain.
It's fine, bro, it's fine. It's
There's
fine.
captain that is throwing.
Behind. What behind us, bro? Fucking rhino on the right, I see you. It's fine, bro. Just going 3, 2, 1, let's go. Why is it really this be talking like a fucking pirate, bro, now? Or is it just like my schizophrenia, bro?
You need to start talking like a pirate. It's the entire point of this.
We are literally losing this shootout pool.
Yeah, because they have high ground.
Yeah, number 2. And we're getting shot by other skirmishes, understand?
Hey, your captain, there be cavalry where you're pulling.
Blob on me! Oh my fucking god. Just blob. Stay in a blob, stay in a blob, stay in a blob. In a blob, guys, in a blob. Don't spread out, Stay in a blob, stay in a blob, stay in a blob, stay in a blob. Stay in a blob, stay in a blob, stay in a blob, stay in a blob. It fucking, bro, they fucking Italy got marks, what the fuck? So now I know why they fucking won. They fucking have Italy got marks, man. Now that's a fucking... So that's why they won. They got Italy marks, I see. I see.
And French marks.
Captain, we be dead.
No shit, Aisha.
We got plundered. Yar.
They have Italy, they have mercs, and they have French mercs.
Yeah, no shit, I can see that. Literally like half of the people that fucking mercs, man.
I could remove one, to be fair.
Their land is literally, bro, the fucking Japan cave is fully mercs, man. The fuck? Go right.
Ahoy, me mateys.
Push up. Yeah. And everyone charge for
Plunder
the...
them.
Charge for the flag. For the flag. Charge. Go. Everyone pull right. Everyone pull now. Pull. We're gonna lose a rush now. So everyone pull. Oh my, it's so slow the rush, man. Shit. Pull, guys. Pull. Is that I'm broken? Pull, guys. Even pull. Look what I am. Look what you are, bro. What's that? Where are you guys? Look what I am. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go for my t-shirt. T-shirt Italian, right? Oh my god, so much shit happening, man. I'm so confused. Just fire.
3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
Keep firing.
No one in 3, 1,
Fire
2,
in front,
3,
fire in
chance.
front. Everyone go left.
Miro,
No.
please shoot at the AFK. Miro, wake the fuck up.
Push.
Miro, I saw I'm gonna kick you.
Push. For my t-shirt.
Miro, if I see you AFK one more time, Miro, I will swear to God.
Stay here. Shoot. Keep shooting. Shoot in front.
So 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
Keep shooting.
Another one in 3, 1, 2, 3,
Keep shooting.
chance.
Stay.
What's company, what's company? I have
Everyone
11.
pull now. Pull. Now pull. Everyone pull. Oh, this fucking old caveat too. Oh my fucking god. So good. Just keep pulling. What is our cave, man? Spain cave, what the hell are you, bro?
Your captain, we be dead again.
You're so late, man. But they don't even sleep on the scatter, man. They just woke up with fucking enemy cave on my side. I mean, it's funny if we scatter because we're in the spawn right now. I mean, they're pulling away, so fuck it. I know where to go. Follow me. For me, full left. Follow me, sure.
Captain, have you tried winning?
Captain, I
damn.
think if you press stop and look at that, cap and look at the like other skirmishes, you know.
This be a skill problem, Captain.
I don't know who balanced this. It's the worst balance ever, right?
Aye, Captain.
Go right. What do you want, bro? Charge.
And 3, 1, 2, 3,
Green
chance.
names. Chase them. Left.
Plunder them, mateys.
Kill. How are you losing? Everyone pull on draw. Pull right. Everyone pull right. Follow me. Now push up. Oh my, they just killed them. Okay, go left. Follow my team, shoot the green flag. Shoot the pirate green flag, I have no idea. Shoot it, they don't blow. Push up down. Oh my, let's go captain. Trust. Follow my team, shoot scum. Oh no, push up left, down, push up. And now charge the scum down. Charge for scums, left, right.
And 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
And everyone pull. Oh my god, you guys are not in the blob. Oh my god, we lost it in middle. You guys are not in a fucking blob. Oh my fucking god. If Japanese comes, can you like push up maybe? Oh my god.
Hey, your captain, we dead again.
If you don't fucking stop that shit, let's see. It's actually fucking
They
annoying.
have plundered us, Captain.
Yeah, no shit, bro, Einstein.
Captain, I love your leading. Just kidding.
Yeah, and I love our allies, you know.
Yeah, yes,
I need some grog for this battle.
Japan just standing there and watching us dying. What the fuck is going on the right side, man?
At least you're doing better than the 1350
No,
stuff.
check the neighbor. Put the flag, hold up the flag.
Your mateys, hold W.
Don't draw.
You know you're not
On the
gonna
road,
grab
keep
that.
charging, keep charging, keep charging.
You know.
No fair, mateys. Board them. Stern break them.
Just hold up, 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 wait, rush. Everyone ready to pull, everyone ready to pull, everyone ready to pull, and everyone pull now, pull. Follow me. Now push up.
No kings, no crowns.
Should be fine now.
Bring me the grog.
Pull my tail on the road. Shoot. Now pull. You're gonna hold W on us. Yeah, they are. Pull. Pull, guys. Pull. Don't use the shot. Don't use the shot.
Your
Hold the shot,
mateys,
hold the shot.
run.
Everyone break loads and pull. Break loads and pull. So who's the line supposed to match this? Push up, push. And for my
Captain Warsaw skirms and rush. If you're standing still, you're...
To Warsaw, man. Push up. From my tail. Don't charge. Are they... Push up. Why are they not going for us, you know? We're literally behind them. They can just turn around and kill us in a second, bro.
Captain, why do we have 3 skirms and they only have...
I don't know, man. For my tail, shoot. No, for my tail, shoot. There you go. Shoot the flag. Shoot. And now charge. For the flag. Charge. Support. Go for the flag. For the flag, guys. For the flag. Come on. Go for the flag.
Plunder them, we take what's ours. Yarr.
We take
what's ours.
For the flag. Come on, go. There's no way we don't cap this shit, bro. I swear to God, if we don't cap this. Hold up. Oh my God, they're stupid. Follow them.
Cavalry timbers.
Fucking snipe that bitch, bro. Come on. One snipe. Come on. Oh my God, he's down. Come on, keep chasing. Everyone pull right. Pull. Don't scatter. Don't
Very easy that way.
Fucking scared, bro. Follow me. The enemy. Oh, that's fucking friendly. Alright, follow me, right? We're gonna go for the Italy flag. Nice. Fucking kept them finally, man.
Wait, should I command kill him?
Wait. Go left.
Wait, don't kill that guy. Don't kill that guy.
Wait, there. Oh shit, man. Nah, follow me, right? It's okay after that. There's that fucking enemy. Go right. Follow me. We're gonna do surprise attack, okay? Pirates, are you guys ready to do a surprise attack?
Aye, Captain.
Are you guys
Ahoy,
gonna love
mate.
this? If everyone looks there, please. If everyone looks left. Follow me left. Everyone,
We take what's
everyone,
ours.
follow me.
Take what's ours.
And form like this shoot. Form shoot. Push up.
Bring me the grog.
Form it.
No king.
Form.
Hoist the
Everybody challenge 3, 1, 2, 3.
Now pull.
no crown.
Pull. They use all of the shots. Now push up. Oh shit. Kev.
No kings, no crown.
Kev says nothing. Everyone charge.
Your plunder them, mateys. Take my
Put the
plunder.
flag. Hold up for the flag.
Booting is ours.
Hold up for the flag. Come on. Hold up for the flag. No. Keep chasing. Keep killing. Keep killing them. Keep chasing. Ignore the ambush. Ignore the ambush. Keep chasing. Keep chasing. For the left. Everyone pull. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Fucking god save, bro. This bitch. Pull. It's lucky, but pull. Hello. Pull. Hello. Pull.
Mateys, get out of here.
Jump the wall. Follow me. Oh, they're so fucking lucky, man. I got saved them.
Done 3, 1,
So
2,
lucky.
3.
Follow me. Ah, they got spawns too, man. Fucking right, go right, go right.
You guys stab him just
Fucking
through this
Italy
wall.
band down.
Oh, watch your
We have
back.
Italy band. Everyone keep pulling yellow. Everyone follow me. Everyone break loads. Everyone break loads. We have Italy band them. We have Italy band us. Break loads, everyone. Break loads and pull.
John, 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
Fucking lucky, man. Fucking lucky, bro. Push up. Oh, no, pull now. Fucking out because you know this bitch.
John, 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
And I push up.
What's ours?
Right, Arctic left a long time ago, buddy. John, 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
Shivery
There's enemy
toes.
girls. They're going to have a charging behind me. Shoot them. It's fine. Follow me. There's a fucking Russia guy, man, talking and screaming and things. I need help in Russian.
We take
Understandable.
what's no kings, no crown. To Davy Jones. We take what's ours. Hoist the cannons.
You take what's ours for real,
Hoist the
man.
cannons.
Never keep chatting that shit, bro. I want to
We
hear
take
that.
what's ours. We take what's ours.
Enemy left. Don't use the shot. Don't use the shot. Keep your shots. Keep your shots. Keep your shots. Keep your shots. Keep going left. 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 Left.
John, 3, 1, 2, 3, chance.
Hoist the cannons.
Keep going down the road. Down the road. Now push up. Push. 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 Push.
John,
Push.
3,
Form
1,
the
2,
shot.
3,
Hoist the
chance.
cannons.
Yeah, I know. I saw that formation.
What's ours? Shivery timbers.
Push up. Push a little up. Come on, we might have it this time. Come on. Come on. Charge, everyone charge. Go for kills, everyone. Go for kills, kills.
Board them, matey.
Kills. Get kills. Everyone get kills. Everyone pull. Pull to the pull. Pull right. Follow me. If you die, don't spawn. Don't spawn. We scared the fuckers. Alex, come on. Alva, you and me, come on, let's go.
We take what's ours.
I killed them for you, Alva. Let's go. I push up. Go left.
Captain, we died.
What's ours?
Captain, I think I see that.
Take what's ours.
Don't tell me we have the biggest DPP on this fucking... On our team we have the biggest DPP. Oh my god. It's actually sad. Go left. Push up. Just charge. Kill the Rambos. Free kills. Push. Push right. Go for Arctic.
Hoist the cannons.
Push. Everyone break the pool. Keep pushing. Everyone break the pool. Everyone pull now. Pull now. Pull my tail, I mean. Pull. I don't know if you see my ping. Everyone come to me. You see the right guy? Come here. Pull my tail shoot. No, pull my tail shoot Naples. Stay, everyone, form, please, form and shoot. Everyone pull. Black flag, watch your right. I don't know, Naples, stay you. Yeah. Come on, here. Battle. Now pull left. Pull, everyone break the pull, follow me. Follow me. Everyone counter, everyone push up, counter. Push up right. Everyone keep pulling. Everyone charge left, everyone left. Follow me left. You see the blue, fucking white, the red flag? I don't know, man. The red circle, red flag. I don't know. Chase them. Now pull left. How did we still broke? What? How? This shit doesn't make a pull, probably. Doesn't make any sense, but fine, okay. Go right.
No kings, no crowns.
Why did Oda got sent it to the other side? Now they're fucking. Oh my. Yeah, it's actually down. For my shoot. Just shoot everything, I don't care. From right there. Push from right there. You are not going to two skirmers. What are you yapping about? Look, you're right, bro. I don't know, like who swapped the teams? Like who swapped teams that fucking they have the skirmishes? Push up. From right there. Oh, let's rape the fucking Tokugawa skirmish. From right there, fires there. Push up. From right there. And charge.
No kings, no crowns.
Charge. Keep charging. Go, kill, come on, kill. Kill them. Behind, everyone, behind us. Look, Renko's left. Keep chasing them. Yeah, nice shit, they're scattered now. Oh, you go right. But they're not scattered, keep chasing. But now they're scattered, go right.
Go right.
Right, hello, team, right?
Wakey, mateys. Yarp.
Wait, hello. Push up left. And charge the scums now, charge the scums. Oh, we're slow, company strength, pull. Oh my god, I've just solved it now with company strength. Oh my god, pull. Surprised we're still alive, bro. Oh, to go. Okay, fuck me, bro. Everyone, watch out for Tokugawa. Everyone, blow. Keep pulling. Come on. Everyone, blow. Hit, blow. Kill Tokugawa. There you go. Push up now. Push up. Try to see up the ladder. Enemy scums, up the ladder. Everyone form up the ladder. And shoot them down.
Davy Jones with them.
Shoot it down. Fuck him up. Don't jump down. Shoot them.
Why is civilian murking for Tokugawa?
Oh no, push up. Jump. Don't know, man. He's agent.
He's 95th staff.
Yeah, I know. Go right. From right here. And shoot.
No kings, no crowns.
Use third person here so you can see them. Go left. Push up right. From it there. Push up. Hold shots, everyone. Hold shots. Yeah, charge. Charge. Keep charging. Keep chasing. Japanese scums. Left, guys. Left. They're spawning now. Charge. They're behind you. Fucking trying to do the same tactic as we do, bro. Fucking damage. Go right. Everyone right. Pull right. Right. Pull. Pull now. Good shot. Now push up. And now go left. Now format is shoot enemy kill. Just shoot them towards that. Shoot. Just shoot. You're gonna lower them or else it's fine. Now pull. We're gonna get some compressor back. So pull. From right here. Shoot. Just shoot everything in front. I don't care what you shoot. Shoot down the road. Down the road. Shoot down the road. Yeah, shoot right. Push up. From right here. Fatter. Which one, bro? With the skirmishes, just don't say skirms. Like, can you say like the names? Pull. Follow me. They have literally 3 enemy skirmishes, bro. We cannot match all of them at the same time. I hope you know that. Are you blind or something? Can you like press star maybe? Thank you. Cool. Follow me up. And just stay up here and shoot. Now pull. And save Trio. Pull. Pull, guys, pull left. Oh, if one of you can go save that flag. Everyone else keep pulling. Come on, get company. Come on. Keep pulling. Follow me. Alright. Follow me. Shoot that. Everyone follow me to shoot. No, that's it.
Ahoy, me mate.
Follow me, shoot. Don't charge. Hello, why you guys charging? Push up, fuck it. Just push up. Push up, guys. Push up. Charge. Push. Follow me. Space. Form. And everyone pull. They did their volleys. Now everyone pull. Everyone reloads and pull. Jesus. Keep pulling. Follow me.
To Davy Jones with a... No
Follow me, sir.
kings, no crowns.
Go this way. Allies, thank you so much, bro. Push up right.
No kings, no crowns.
For my third shoot. Keep fire. Middle line.
Hoist the colors. Ahoy, me matey. No kings, no crowns.
Push up.
We take what's
Come on, there. Push up. Go left. Come right there. Space. Now pull. Reload. Spread out. Spread out. Push up.
Hoist the colors.
Go left.
The colors.
I see to go skirmishes, we're gonna go for them, okay? Follow me. Keep reloading, guys. Everyone press Q in 3, 2, 1, press Q.
We take one tower.
Follow me.
Yo ho.
Don't go up skirms. How is your life, buddy? I think it's time to die, buddy, because I am annoyed with you right now.
Where be the raw?
Everyone, chant to 3, 2, 1. Chant spread out. Everyone spread out. They don't see us. I see. They actually don't see us. Everyone don't shoot. Hold your shots. And format is shoot Naples now, because they fucking see us. Now go left. Follow me. And everyone charge.
Davy Jones with a...
Beautiful. Charge, everyone. Charge. Follow me. Keep charging. Follow them. Stay, everyone. Everyone, go back. Everyone, behind you left. Bro, why are they trying the same strategy as we fucking use, bro? I fucking know how to counter this bullshit, man. They're so retarded. Don't copy the enemy strategy, man. Come on, man. It's like a bullshit. Stay wiping. Keep charging. Chase. And see, now they're gonna fucking spawn like retards. Keep chasing. Come on, scatter. Broke them. Break. Everyone charge left, everyone charge left, everyone left, everyone charge left, behind, behind. Charge for kills, kills, everyone get kills. Get kills. Kills, last second, get kills, last second. Last second, get kills. Like, beautiful guys, beautiful shot. Beautiful guys, that was beautiful. And stupid shit of him, man. Stupid organizer, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Lucy, can you take Kevin check? Did Belgium left? Don't tell me fucking left, bro. And my fucker says I'm a bad fucking line commander, bro. Got 4 stars and almost 2 key points right now. Good shit, guys. Beautiful today. That was actually amazing. Like, a lot of you guys are new and very good from you guys. I don't even care, bro. You guys did beautiful. Good shit. Fucking